Our goal in designing the GCEC program is to offer a comprehensive graduate certificate in executive coaching, one that combines the theory and practice of coaching, one that is academically rigorous but also practical. So when they graduate, our students are fully prepared to conduct executive coaching engagement in an organization. William James College offers the only accredited graduate school program in executive coaching in New England. Another unique feature of our program is really our 3 months practicum. It's one of the highlights of the GCEC program, where students actually get to work with a real client sourced from nonprofit organizations that do social justice work in the greater Boston community. Our students get training and experience, but they're also contributing to the community.
The GCEC practicum is unlike any other practicum. It is an intensive 3-month program. These are leaders that need help and have no other way to get it but through these students.
We partner with William James College to match student coaches with senior nonprofit leaders and with emerging leaders as well. Having the partnership with William James College offers an amazing resource to nonprofit leaders. The students at William James are committed, they're incredibly hardworking, they're not afraid to dive into sometimes very messy and challenging organizational issues. They've got the support of master coaches and of the staff, and that really lends itself to helping these nonprofit leaders find success.
Each of our students gets a master coach supervisor who walks lockstep through the program with them. And so these are folks with 10, 20 years of experience that help our students walk through all the things that they need. So they get real-time experience of being with a real client. These are with nonprofit social action leaders. They feel completely seen and heard by their coaches, and they feel that they're walking away with a sense of empowerment.
The reason I offer this as a volunteer pro bono service is that I see my work as being of service in the world. I can see where are the strengths and where are the opportunities of the student, and where can I support this next development phase for the student. I think it's a cornerstone of the program. These are highly motivated individuals that really want to make a difference in the world and have found their way to this program because they are following the call to be of service.
Well, I'm a clinical social worker, and I really wanted to find a way to help people that wasn't necessarily therapeutic. I've been seeing so many people who needed help but didn't need a therapist. The practicum has really allowed me to use the tools that we've learned and see how they help people move forward.
The practicum is real life. You're really dealing with clients who are going through challenges, and it's real. It's really opened my eyes to working in the nonprofit world, and it's expanded my view of what can be done with coaching.
The practicum's great because it's real hands-on experience, and being able to get the confidence to know that you can do that work. The practicum is an opportunity to see that in action.
After they've gone through the practicum experience, it's really remarkable to see that confidence in them. It's always amazing to me to see the growth of our students over the 8 months program.